Lesson 11, the remainder theorem. This is the theory. If a given polynomial px is divided by x minus a, the remainder is pa. Let's have a look at this. And we'll set it up, and we'll say that our polynomial px will be equal to x minus a. Remember, that's the divisor, times, well, I don't know what it is, but something like qx is we call that the quotient, whatever we get when we divide, plus, we'll call this the remainder, rx. It's the remainder. Next, it will be a constant. We'll come to that later. Now, we'll let x equal a. And when x equals a, this becomes pa. But when we substitute in here, we're going to get a minus a times q a plus ra. Because this is 0. So pa, whatever that is the remainder. Okay? So the remainder is pa. Right, now here's an example using the remainder theorem. You have to find the remainder when this polynomial is divided by x plus 1. Right, so we know that px is equal to x cubed plus 3x squared minus x minus 2. So x plus 1 is 0, x equals -1. Putting -1 in there, we get p of minus 1 equals minus 1 cubed plus 3 times minus 1 squared. So it'll be plus 1 minus 2, which is minus 1 plus 3 plus 1 minus 2. And you see that minus 1 minus 2 is minus 3. That goes out, and you get the remainder of 1. Now, we won't get the quotient this way. We'll just get the remainder. So we'll check this by long division. So let's see what happens. X plus 1 into x cubed plus 3x squared minus x minus 2. No gaps to worry about. Okay, so we'll need an x cubed, so I'll need an x squared there. So it becomes x squared. It becomes x cubed. X squared times 1 is x squared. We subtract, we get 2x squared. Bring both of them down. Okay, now plus. Now we're going to get a 2x squared, so we'll have a 2x here. So it becomes 2x squared plus 2x. Subtract that, these go out. Minus x minus 2x is minus 3x. Bring down the minus 2. We need a minus 3 here. Minus 3x minus 3. Subtract those, we get minus 2 minus -3 is minus 2 plus 3, which is 1. So we do in fact get a remainder of 1. So in other words, we can see that our dividend, x cubed plus 3x squared minus x minus 2 is equal to the divisor, x plus 1, times the quotient, x squared plus 2x minus 3 plus 1, the remainder. Just writing those out again. There's our dividend. This is our divisor. This is our quotient. And this is the remainder. Which of course means that hasn't been factorized.